This is the only video you'll ever need to watch about IRAs. We're going to cover everything you need to know in the shortest amount of time so you can better manage your money and live a richer, fuller life. An IRA is a special type of investment account that helps you save and invest for retirement. Anyone can open an IRA. When you put money into an IRA, you can buy and sell a variety of different investments. The main benefit of having an IRA is tax savings. An IRA helps you pay less in taxes. This is something a normal investment account does not provide. An IRA helps you save on taxes in one of two ways. It reduces your taxable income, or it can help you avoid taxes on investment gains. However, you can only get one of these benefits, not both, so you need to pick which tax benefit you want. Depending on which tax benefit you want, you'll open up one of two different types of IRAs. A traditional IRA helps you reduce your taxable income. It helps you save on taxes now rather than in the future. If you put $7,000 into a traditional IRA, your taxable income for the year is reduced by $7,000. For example, let's say that you make $100,000 a year. Normally, all $100,000 of your income would be subject to taxes. However, if you put $7,000 into a traditional IRA, then only $93,000 of your income is subject to taxes. In other words, you wouldn't owe taxes on $7,000 of your income. A Roth IRA helps you avoid taxes on the investment gains in the account. It helps you save on taxes in the future rather than right now. If you put $7,000 into a Roth IRA, your taxable income for the year is not reduced. However, let's say that the $7,000 you invested grows to $57,000 by retirement age. You made $50,000 in investment gains. Normally, you'd have to pay taxes on the $50,000 of gains. Instead, because this investment was made in a Roth IRA, all investment gains are tax-free. With this benefit of tax savings comes quite a few restrictions. Here are 4 restrictions you should be aware of. Number 1, annual contribution limit. There is a limit to how much money you can put into an IRA. For 2025, if you're under the age of 50, you can put in a maximum of $7,000. If you're over age 50, the maximum you can put in is $8,000. If you put in more than these limits, you'll have to pay a penalty. Number 2, Roth IRA income limit. This restriction only applies to the Roth IRA, not the traditional IRA. To be eligible to put money into a Roth IRA, your income must be below a certain threshold set by the government. For 2025, your income must be below $150,000 if you're single, or $236,000 if you're married and file taxes jointly with your spouse. If you make between $150,000 and $165,000 if you're single, or between $236,000 and $246,000 if you're married, you'll be eligible to make a reduced contribution to a Roth IRA. And if you make more than $165,000 if you're single, or more than $246,000 if you're married, you won't be able to make any contributions. Fortunately, even if you are a high-income earner, there is an indirect way to still contribute to a Roth IRA. This workaround is called a backdoor Roth IRA, and that's for another video. Number 3, more limited investment options. Compared to a normal investment account, IRAs have slightly fewer investment options to choose from. However, there are more choices compared to a 401k. This restriction isn't a big deal because there are still a lot of great investment options to pick. Number 4, withdrawal penalties. This is probably the biggest restriction. If you withdraw money before age 59 and a half, you'll have to pay a 10% penalty and also pay taxes on the withdrawal. However, for a Roth IRA, you are allowed to withdraw the contributions you made without paying a penalty. You won't be able to withdraw any of the gains, though, without paying a penalty. Number 5, required minimum withdrawals at retirement. Lastly, for a traditional IRA, you are required to start withdrawing money at age 73. If you don't make these minimum withdrawals, you'll have to pay penalties. For a Roth IRA, there are no minimum required withdrawals. You now know everything you need to know about an IRA. If you liked how short and sweet this video is, you'll love our video that teaches 30 years of personal finance knowledge in under 30 minutes. This is the video that shares everything I know about investing, saving, and taxes that helped me build $1 million in net worth before age 30. Click on that video here or find the link in the video description below.